Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own shirts in Roblox. Now you can do this for both upper body and lower body. I'm just going to be focusing on the torso for today, the upper body torso of course. However, if you would like to go for trousers or pants, or whatever you want to call them, you can also do that using this template here. Okay, what you want to do, you want to right click this image here, and you want to save this image because this is going to be your template. So I'm going to save this. And I'm just going to call it as it is for now. Now you need to open up a website. I'm going to use Photopea for this, or Photopea, however you want to, whatever you want to call it. Now let's open from computer here, and we want to open up the template we've just saved. Now we can start designing. Now these dotted lines are just maximum heights for like things like gloves and things. If the player has anything like that, that's what the dotted lines are. So you don't really need to worry about those. Now, what we're going to do is, for some reason, I have not placed that in the center of the screen. There we go. So let's get designing. So for the torso, as you'll see, we've got a torso, a right arm, and a left arm. Let's focus on the torso. That's where we should always start. Now, I want a Driple Studios-like shirt, so I want something like this, but with our new updated logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the image I need. Okay, once I've got the image in, I just want to basically resize it and make it fit to this box here, which is 128 by 128 pixels. That fits. The logo's looking a bit blurred, so I might need a smaller logo for that. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm going to use the eyedropper tool to select this colour I've got here, and I'm just going to colour in this red box around it. On the right, we just want these to be solid colours, the right, the left, and everything like that, with this colour of... So I'm just going to fill these boxes in with solid colour. Essentially, I'm going for this exact same thing, just the logo on the front, and because if you look at on the back, it might not load, sometimes it takes a while. It's literally just a black shirt with a logo on the front. It's only 5 Robux. So that's all I'm going to really focus on here. Just doing that. I'm going to copy and paste that over here. Cover up everything in the same colour as the background of this logo. So essentially we've just got the logo showing on the front. Let's fill everything in. Now the right and left arms. I think what we've got on this one is we've kind of got like shoulders, so the arms are showing. I'm going to do the same here. So the upper and lower are all going to be the exact same. Don't need to worry about too much about getting this exact, because it gets folded anyway. Although just for the sake of completion. Okay, now what we want here, I'm just going to get something that goes down sort of to there, to the dotted line really. Just like a shoulder thing. So this is the front, right, back, left. As you see here, it's going to go down to about this dotted line, and then the rest we will we actually just need to cut out. So if we just get a rubber, we can actually cut it out. In fact, I have also made a mistake. The bottom bit doesn't need to be filled in either. We can actually delete the bottom bits down here. They don't need to be, the down bits, they don't need to be filled in either, because that's like the hands and stuff. So let's delete those. Don't worry about the when you're scribbling it all out, it doesn't really matter. As I say, the way it's rendered and everything. Okay, so this is it. This is everything. That looks good. However, we do still need one background layer. So we basically want to flatten all the layers into one. So let's merge it. Merge layers. Delete that background layer. There we go. So now we've got everything in one layer here. Now, I'm not really going to show you how to use Photopea here. If you want to learn that, we can do videos on it if you would like. But there's some tutorials out there. If you want us to teach you how to use Photopea, let us know and we can. Now let's export this as a PNG and save it. Okay, so once you've created that, you need to open up any one of your Roblox games to test this. Now, and then go hit Avatar. And now we're going to create a rig builder. We'll click rig builder. And then under rig builder, we want a, well, we've made this for R15, it could be anything really. I'm gonna just make a mesh rig, it doesn't really matter. Once we've got our rig here, we need to add a shirt graphic underneath it. Or if you are doing like pants, you just insert a pants option, but we're not doing that. So let's just insert a shirt or a shirt graphic. I'm just going to choose shirt. Now under this clothing, our shirt template, we're going to add our image. Saved, click create. We'll just call this shirt test or something. Just click create. And it'll appear on the player. Now, this is what the shirt's looking like here. As you can see, it looks a bit squished, if you will. So you can kind of get an idea of what your shirts look like. So let me test this on a block rig. Add in a shirt. Under the shirt, let's add let's add our template. So under a block rig, this looks a lot better. So what I'm seeing here is I might need to make the logo a bit smaller because it's a bit stretched on some of these avatars. It looks alright on the back. I think I might remove it off the back and just have it on the front, and I might make it a bit smaller. So let me go and do that. Okay, it's always a good idea to test it on every type of rig. That looks a lot better there. I might do this in different colours as well. We'll just, for now, I'll just keep it white. Let's test it on one of these rigs too. So clothing, and we want template 2. So it looks a bit iffy on this template. Yeah, so the mesh rig looks, although no one really has a mesh rig, to be honest. Everyone has a man rig, a woman rig, or dummy, or like the blocky rig. But you know what, we'll try it on everything. Look at what looks good, what doesn't, so it gives us an idea of how to adjust. See, it looks alright. Of course, people see it on their own avatar before they buy it anyway, so don't worry about getting it too perfect. Of course, the more avatars it looks good on, the more people that will purchase it. So you need to try and get it as good as you can, but as I say, just test it on everything, make sure it looks good on everything. Yeah, everything is looking good. Now, to actually create a shirt, you need to go under the Create tab, under Group Creations, or My Creations, and then I'm going to go to, is it T-shirts or shirts? Alright, okay, yeah, so we want to go under Shirt or Pants. T-shirts are more if you're putting an image on something, which is what I could have done, to be fair, but I didn't. Anyway, under Shirts, obviously, it does cost a few Robux to upload a shirt, but, you know, you gotta weigh it up, is it worth it or not? Anyway, what we want to do is we want to find our image, which is this one we've created, and give it a name. We'll call it Driple Studios 2023 T-shirt white. We'll call it. Why not? Bit of a lengthy name. No, I could just remove the T-shirt at the end. Driple Studios 2023 and white. Upload for 10 Robux. So we'll upload it. Yes, we would like to upload our shirt for 10 Robux. Shirt successfully created. And then we're going to configure it. And under our configure, it will take a while for Roblox to accept it. I think actually it's accepted it straight away here. Click under on sale, we can set a price for it. I'll set 5 Robux because it's nothing special. Just simply 5 Robux and open for comments. You can change whatever you would like. Description, I'll just say 2023 Driple Studios shirt in white or something like that, and put a full stop. Do whatever. Yeah, this is it. And then we can save our changes. That's it. That will now be uploaded. So we will see under store, we now have the white shirt that can be purchased. I'm not sure I want it. If I click try on, we'll see what it looks like on my avatar. I hope you did find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe and share it with friends. I don't know, and check out these shirts.